The running topic is TF IDF. Okay, let me check. Use case are we done? Now back of force are we done? I done example also. Right. I'm sure this. Am I done this? Okay, fine then. If you want, I will rerun one more time. You will get an idea. Sir, you didn't walk through the last running notes, I guess. I'm sure I will show this example in our running notes so that I can confirm you already done that. Go to the running notes and back of force. This one is a running notes, previous one. Done actually. I request you guys need to walk through. That's still okay. Today, TF and IDF, along with that, 1 minute, let's close this roll. Along with that, Twitter sentiment analysis. Let's do that one. So running notes number 121 and TF IDF. These are all we done, I guess. There is another use case we are going to implement. Twitter sentiment analysis. 5. So Twitter's data. Use case. Okay. Online team I'm sorting. Okay, good. If you want, I will give a small recap. Previously, what I have covered actually. Now, previously, what I covered, sir, this topic name is called as a bag of words. This topic name is called as a, somebody will give the kind of thing like, kind of some review, kind of some text, group of sentences. Then we need to take that and we need to provide an array. This array is something like a frequency of the words. Chappan sir, frequency of each word, how many times it is repeated actually. We done this. If you go back previously, here I have explained like a manual approach actually. But if you're doing manually, it takes a lot of time. Instead of that one, there is a one class name is called as a count vectorizer. You need to create an object and you need to call a method name is called as a fit underscore transform, blah, blah, blah. Then finally, we need to convert into array actually. Then we will get a array data. What data? Array data. That's what even I have done previously. Yeah, Daniel, this concept we can use in NLP application. We are using this. And information to travel from more documents and classification of the documents actually. I told we are using, right? I'm sorry, we are not using this. I will tell you the reason. But this one is a base topic. There are small limitations. Here, it never check the grammar. Randomly, you have given some English words. It will start doing vectorizer actually. It is not checking the grammar. Semantic analysis is not doing. Vector size also matter. On an average, here I have given 3 sentences. Sentence 1, sentence 2, sentence 3. Sir, we got a very big array. Think like I have given 1 million sentences. How many? Yeah, we can possible. Daniel, are you sure? Sir, go to the Amazon review. 10 millions also. 10 million reviews actually. If it is 10 million reviews, creating one vector, very big vector actually. Computational time, it takes a lot of time. The next one, pre-processing. In pre-processing, we need to, yeah, here is the story. Count vectorizer is not doing pre-processing. What do you mean by that? It is not removing the dot symbols. It is not removing the special symbols, but automatically, yeah, so these are all we supposed to do before that actually, which is hectic process again. But go to the word net, I guess. Am I right? Word net. Before creating the word net, it is cleaning the text data. Then it is just trying to, yeah, stop words. It is removing. These are all things actually. Okay. Now, I hope this is the topic. It's a little theory. Sir, what can I say? A damn sure interview question. During interview, they will ask, explain about what is TF and IDF. It's not PF actually, it's a TF. TF and IDF. What is this topic, Daniel, actually? Let me tell you what is the topic. First TF means term frequency. Chapter, sir, what is the first TF? Term frequency. The next one is called as the IDF. It is also called as the inverse document frequency. One more time. Inverse document frequency is a numerical statistic that is, so intended to reflect how important words in a document in a collection actually. Hold on, I will tell you. Think like document means paragraph. A paragraph. I mean to say, think like would have a group of paragraphs. In that group of paragraphs, group of sentences, which word is important, which word is not important, you should understand. To understand that, there is one concept which is so called as a TF, term frequency. Not only TF, IDF also. Inverse document frequency. Inverse document frequency. Anyway, by looking at that image, you can see one thing. People are watching the movie. People are watching what exactly? Movie. When I look at this image, I used to remember always one thing. In Bangalore, there is a Marathali location. Innovative multiplex actually, exactly the same theater. Are you looking for my face actually? No. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. Imagine people are watching the movie. Can I tell you? Sir, every person having different perspective. One person like horror movie. Another person will like, where is the horror actually? Am I right or not, sir? Few people, they will scare for horror. Few people, they will laugh for horror actually. Okay. Good. You will do one thing. Here is a sample reviews about the particular horror movie. There is some particular horror movie. People are talking. Sir, we are asking, sir, how is the movie? Think like, I'm from media. Review number 1. This movie is very scary and what exactly, man? One person is telling this is very scary and so long. Okay. The next one. This movie is not scary and what exactly, man? Why? First person told scary, right? Why second person told not scary? Person to person, the perspective, the receiving, responding is quite different actually. Quite different. Can I tell you? Still, I used to scare for scary movies. But my brother kids actually, they will laugh. I'm sorry for kidding. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah. So this movie is not scary and it is a little slow. Okay. Quite the opposite result. The movie is Koopy and what exactly, sir? I'm sorry, sir. And it is what exactly, sir? Good. Kind of some lag actually, but still that is okay. Some good actually. There are some three reviews. I'm sorry. There are some how many? Three reviews actually. We'll do one thing. Let us just say to apply this TF and IDF topic actually. You will get an idea. You will get what exactly, sir? Idea. Let's start the cinema. This is the theory. We are implementing this theory in upcoming example. First, try to understand. What is the first topic? You know, sir. TF. What is the first one? TF. Term frequency. Term frequency. Frequency in the sense, you know, how many times that word came actually. Frequency of word in the sentence divided by total number of words in what exactly? Sentence. So think like, you know, frequency of the word. The formula will be frequency of every word in the sentence divided by total number of words in the sentence actually. That's okay. If you observe this one, please look at the table. Here we have taken, so all words we have taken. From three reviews, we have taken almost all words actually. The first one is called as a review 1, review 2, review 3. The first one. Almost these are all 1, 1, 1. That's okay. And what is a TF, you know, sir? Let me tell you. In review 1, this word one time it is available. In review number 2, this word one time it is available. Are you sure? Are you getting? Make a note on this. Now TF. 1 divided by 7. First of all, frequency of the word. This how many times it is available, sir? One time. And what do you mean by 7 actually? Total 7 words. If you want, let's do count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. You got it, I guess. Understand one calculation. 1 by 7. The next one, 1 by 8. Next one, 1 by 7. That's okay. That's okay. Then same thing like this, we done these are all things actually. We done these are all. Can I ask you a question? Why 0? 0 enduku cheptara? Because in review 1, not is not there. And the next one, 1, 1. Fine then. So 0 by something, 0. So we got these are all zeros actually. So make a note on this one. Review number 3, 0 by something, 0. Good. Any idea what is the first one? Term frequency. Term frequency table, you can keep it away. You can just have to keep here. Now the next topic. IDF, inverse document frequency. Inverse document, what exactly? Frequency. IDF is a measure of how important a term in a sentence. How important? I'm repeating again. How important? Best example, somebody is asking, how is the movie? My friend is asking, how is the movie? How is the movie? Let's take any movie. You know, so movie is good. The next one, movie is not good. Movie is what? Bad actually. Let us just have to take, or else average actually. Movie is average. Can I tell you? Do you think movie word is important? Imagine you ask to your friend how is a movie. He is telling movie is good. Movie, you won't care about that word. Is, you won't care. What you can care actually? Good. That word having background some score actually. That word having some score. Some score. That score we are trying to extracting actually. Okay? Yeah. IDF is measure of how important a term in a sentence actually. A term in a sentence. We need the IDF value because computing just to TF alone is not sufficient. Computing just to TF is what exactly, sir? Alone not sufficient to understand an important of words actually. Right. This one is a make a note on this one. IDF equals to log. Daniel, do I need to calculate manually? No, not required. IDF equals to log of number of documents means number of sentences, number of reviews. Sir, document means think like a sentence. Can I tell you if you want? A document means a sentence. Otherwise, review. Think like that. Divided by number of documents with the term T. Number of documents with term what exactly T. I will take one small calculation. That calculation would be IDF of movie. IDF of what exactly? Movie equals to log of 3 by 3. Sir, log of 3 by 3, the result is a 0. Don't ask, prove it actually. That is not our task as of now, right? So, yeah. Log 3 by 3. means log 1, which is something like a 0. Same thing like that, IDF 0. I have a question for you. Movie. Can I ask a question? How many times movie came actually? Number of documents. How many reviews actually? 3. And this movie word, how many times it came actually? Number of document is in the term actually. Sir, 3 times it came 0. Is 3 times came it 0 actually. Sir, not. Listen carefully. Not. Can you talk me the total how many sentences? 3. Out of 3, there is only one review. He said not. Then what is the score actually? 0 point. Here is the point. If somebody is telling movie is not good, we will focus on that not word actually. Means that not having the score in the back end. Not having score in what exactly mean? Let me tell you. Once imagine any new movie released. Then we'll wait for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. We go to Google and we can check for movie rating. We can check for movie back end. They will apply this topic actually. They will apply this topic and they will get the review. Overall reviews rating they will get actually. It's not like a one person. Scary. Daniel, out of 3 reviews, there are 2 members. I can see scary word I found 2 times. One person told scary, another person told not scary. That's still okay. The next one, under. Not much important. Slow. Important, sir. Important actually. Can I ask you a question? What is the not score actually? 0.48. What is the scary score? There is some importance. What is the slow score? Okay. 0.48 actually. Okay. Good. This is called as a IDF calculation. What calculations are IDF? Now somebody is telling this movie. Yeah, this won't care at all. Next one, movie. Won't care at all. 0, 0. Sir, very. Somebody told very long, right? There is important actually. There is important. That word having some important. 0.48 like that. Did you understand? Log of number of documents. I mean to say number of sentences divided by number of documents with what exactly? Tom 3. Tom 3. Can I drink water? Now, we done separately. TF ID we done. The next one will be IDF we done actually. Now it's a right time. We need to combine both. Now what we can do, compute the TF IDF score for each word in the corpus. Corpus in the sense sentence. Words with higher score are more important and lower score are what exactly? Less important. Yeah, this is the formula, sir. Whatever calculation you done, you have to multiply. TF with IDF you need to multiply. That is so called as a TF IDF. TF we done separately. IDF also we done separately. Then we need to multiply. We need to multiply. Then we will get a final score actually. Look at my screen. Let's take one small example. Review 2. TF IDF. This. There is a one word I am taking actually. What is that this, TF this into IDF of this. Sir, what is the TF this? Term frequency of this actually? 1 by 8. 1 by? I mean to say 1 time came out of 8 words. 1 time came out of 8 words. The next one will be, sir, 0. Then what is the result actually? 0. Now, TF of IDF, it is making neutralize actually 0. This is not important. This is what exactly? Not important. Like this, if you closely observe, all words you can find this one, sir. All words you can find it actually. Daniel, this 0. You no need to be focused. 0. Movie. Somebody telling this movie, no need to be focused. Is no need to be focused. Very 0. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm looking only here what exactly, review 3. I need to focus on all these things actually. Good. So somebody is telling, this almost review 1, review 2, review 3, 0. All right. Movie, almost all are zeros. Is all are zeros actually. Hold on. Very having some score. Very having some score in review number 1. What is that score actually? 0.06. There is a some score. Finally, they will go for average score actually. Here, nobody is not talking about the very, very 0. Scary. In review number 1, somebody telling movie is scary actually. There is a score. Here also score actually. Yeah, important. Not only 1 time, 2 times repeated actually. They will give high priority. Either not scary, scary secondary, but scary word is there actually. important actually. And not much important. Long 0.68. Not here it is important in second word actually. Slow. Here it is important. I'm sure you got a clarity. What you need to understand is when you are delivering any word actually, when you are delivering any word, backend that word having a kind of some score. Whenever you're asking anything to the chat GPT will apply the score. Either this word is important or not actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Sir, you're talking about the text data. It is converting into numerical data. It is converting into what data? This calculation manually we need to do. We are working with one use case. You will get an idea. You will get an idea. So this one is a theory. Please understand. Explain about the TF IDF. Simple. Explain about the TF IDF and how to achieve actually. We have one function. They will during interview they will ask this question. Direct question. First one. Explain about the back of the words. Focus on this, please. I request you. Okay. Look at my screen. You will get an idea. Now, the next one. Back to the session. Till now, we have seen the public data sets. Tell me the public data sets. Iris flower. Yeah, public data sets actually. The first one is so called as a Titanic. Very good. The second one is so called as a Iris flowers. The third one, healthcare handwritten digits. Very good. Handwritten digits. The next one, diabetes is not a public data set, but famous data set from Kaggle actually. That is a famous data set. Good. Now, one of the public data set I'm going to introduce, the Twitter data. What data? Twitter's data actually. Twitter's data. Daniel, what do you mean by that? By using Twitter, you might have nowadays the Twitter name is X, I guess. Am I right? The name is changed to what exactly? X. Yeah. By using Twitter, by using WhatsApp, we can chat each other. By using Twitter, you can tweet each other. The terminology is the tweet actually. What is that? Tweet. We can tweet each other. Let's walk through. Please focus. Little theory. Oh, first of all, there are some use cases you need to be understand. Let's move on. Come on. Twitter sentiment analysis. Sentiment in the sense, whenever you're talking anything, either it is a positive sentence or negative sentence, that we need to recognize. Let me tell you, all you guys are students. If I'm telling you about your career is really good, you will get a nice job. That is called as a positive sentence. That is called as a, I should not talk in other discussion. If I'm talking other discussion, I'm extremely sorry for saying that is called as a negative. That is called as what exactly, sir? Negative actually. I mean, the way how you're talking, either it can be positive or negative or neutral. Positive, negative, or what exactly? Neutral actually. Yeah. Text blob provides an API that can perform different NLP tasks. Okay. Text blob. Text blob. That provides an API. Chapter, sir, that provides what exactly? An API that can perform different NLP tasks actually. That can perform what exactly, sir? Different NLP tasks. What are all tasks? POS it can provide. POS tagging we already done, right? We already done, right? Who is that? Admin? Yeah, randomly students will come, they will open the door, they will check. Good. Where is that? According sir. Okay, very good man. API actually. No, let me not talk about the full form, but API, the full form is API full form. Full form is chapter application programming interface. Application programming, what exactly? Interface actually. There is a one project, project one. There is another project. Project number one wanted to connect with project number two. Wanted to connect with what exactly, sir? Project number two. Listen carefully. Project number one wanted to connect with what exactly? Project number two. Then through API it is possible. Through what? API. Project to project communication is happening by using API. By using what exactly? API. Can I tell you? Let us take IRCTC. IRCTC. IR what exactly? CTC. IRCTC. Where is my train? Am I right? Do you know this app actually? Where is my train? My what exactly train? This is the app actually. This one is one project, sir. This one is project one. This one is project number two. What? Where is my train app will do? It hits this. This app wanted to know where is the train. Then this app send request to the IRCTC. Then IRCTC it will give API in a JSON format actually. In what exactly? JSON format, right? Here I should write 1 minute. Here I should write this one. IRCTC. Where is my train app is seriously very good actually. Good. Now, slowly by slowly, this app wanted to connect with what exactly, sir? Wanted to connect with project number two. Project number two. Then you need to send a request. That request would be so and so train. Whenever you are refreshing, so and so train, and these are all details. It will hit the it will hit this website. Now this website it will give info in terms of what exactly, sir? API actually. With API, how it will give response? JSON packet actually. What packet, sir? JSON packet. Then it will respond one by one. Can I give conclusion? There is one project. You are creating another project. That project wanted to connect with other project, possible through API. Through API. Go to the chat GPT. OpenAI company. What company? OpenAI. What models they have implemented? I just wanted to connect actually. Use OpenAI API. Use OpenAI. What exactly? API. In my company, we are working actually. Can I tell you? In my company, we are creating a text-based model. We are creating text-based model. Text-based what exactly? Models actually. We are creating a text-based model. If you want to, let me not reveal the secret, not reveal the domain actually. Let me take one small. According to the company policies, I should not talk about the requirement actually, but let me change the requirement in a small way. Let us take healthcare domain. Healthcare domain actually. So there is a one, tell me one hospital, big hospital name. Apollo. Okay, Apollo. Right. Now, these guys have created a kind of some application, a kind of some project actual project. So when you're talking about the Apollo, here doctors are there, and doctors supposed to suggest if any patient came actually, doctor will do the analysis, and the doctor will tell you have to go for so and so medication for the patient, right? You have to go for so and so what exactly medication actually, so patient. Then he will give the medication. Medication in the sense, he will start try to medicine and he will tell actually. Instead of doctor, I have written health Apollo GPT. Yeah, in future, get ready. You may see these are all applications. Apollo GPT. Now here no doctor, sir. Patient came. Very soon you are going to see this kind of application. Right. Now patient came actually. Patient came. Now patient details they have given. Like what is the fever level? Either he has a cough actually. These are all these things they have given. It will do analysis automatically. Now, can you tell me, sir, it will do medication automatically. It will share the medication. How Apollo GPT know actually? Apollo GPT, it will connect to what exactly, sir? Connect to OpenAI API. Chapter, sir, OpenAI. It was trained actually. That's what, sir, you got a clarity. Okay. That's what you need to be understand. Online team, are you clear, sir? Can I talk with you? I need one response from anybody. Okay. Fine, then let's move on. Yeah. So text block provides an API that can perform different NLP techniques actually. So parts of speech we can do. POS tagging. Chaptara sir? POS tagging it will do. Noun phrase extraction, which is so called as NER we are doing. Noun phrase. So imagine there is a sentence. Let us take a politics news. Who are all, what I mean to say that popular people, so-called famous people, who can extract automatically. Who can extract CM name, PM name in the given sentence, which is so-called as NER. No, we no need to build, sir. Internally, that library contains API actually. We can build actually, but it takes longer time. It takes longer time actually. If you want, let me tell you. Yeah. Then get ready. Did you remember deep learning saving model? Deep learning saving model. Yeah, saving first one model. Model how to save in a JSON. That is nothing but API. You are hitting that model. Model will respond actually. ChatGPT also same. So you should know little understanding about the how we have saved the deep learning model actually. You will get an idea. Okay. Yeah. Maybe if you want, I can talk more, sir. OpenAI API. Click on this. OpenAI company. What is a OpenAI company, Daniel? OpenAI is a company. One of the product is a ChatGPT. They have created one of the product is what exactly? ChatGPT actually. Right. Now, as of now, they are giving as a free version. Free version they are giving, just try to enjoy, understand the features. Then all we started using. They do have a next level version. That version all companies are using. That version was trained with almost all data. If you wanted to create your own model, that kind of data we cannot get it actually. Now already the product is ready. Do you wanted to use that product actually? They will give one API key. They will give one API. What exactly, sir? Key. We can create our own API also, sir. Takes a lot of time. It consumes more memory. That's what OpenAI company. These guys will charge money actually. I hope recently I told per token this much they will charge. Here OpenAI API. Japan sir, OpenAI API reference. These guys will charge. Let's move on. But anyway, go back and let me show you example. Example ekkada nanda chusara చూడలేదా? Click on this. Sir, how easy it is, I will prove. It is taking little longer time. You can just have to come here. Daniel, is there any example we have, Daniel? Yeah, we have. That's response and which one? Request and response actually. Create a model. Yeah. Good. Like this. Look at my screen. Maybe above you can see. Uh, oh, this one is JavaScript, sir. I'm looking for Python. Wow. Any idea what is this? Class. How can you say? Capital letter. Can you tell me what is the whole line? That's the beauty with the Python. That's the beauty with the Python actually. Right? So by using this object, somebody is calling, object name dot attribute, and you can call a method actually, and it is responding very nicely. Any idea what is the syntax so called? That's it. That's it actually. We made you to understand the whole bottom of the code, but you need to understand what is OpenAI, what is the purpose. What is the purpose of create method? That R&D you have to do, little R&D. I'm sure by looking at the code, I can give guarantee 90% you can recognize either function or class or method. Many people see, you don't know what is OpenAI, but you are able to tell what is OpenAI. Then next step is just try to understand what is the main purpose of this class. Go back to the linear regression. Main purpose of that class will be algorithm. Data frame, main purpose is creating a structured data. Then what is the main purpose of OpenAI? You need to walk through the documentation actually. Very good, man. Online team, did you understand, sir? I need one response. OpenAI, practical example we are doing. Practical example we are doing actually. Don't worry. Okay, fine. Let's move on. Sir, this topic name is called as a noun phrase extraction, also called as a NER. Now, so NER, named entity recognition. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment, either is a positive or negative. These are all things actually. Sentiment. Classification. So Navy base and the decision tree, these are all language translation and detection. Language translation and what exactly detection. I'm sure you should know by this time. Google, so English to Telugu translator. Yeah. Hello, how are you? Yeah. Hello, ela unnaru? Are you with me? Right. I mean to say backend, they have applied NLP technique. Google Translator. Exactly, they use the translator topic actually. Program, sir. Just they are giving UI. You are playing with UI. Backend, it is generating the response. It is throwing to the front end actually. That's it. No jantra mantra here. Language translation and detection actually. Detection and spelling corrections. Spell corrections also backend NLP technique it is using. Yeah, one of the text blob is built upon NLP. Text blob, okay. First one NLTK, natural language toolkit. On top of that one more library actually text blob. What is that library name? Text blob. Sentiment analysis means analyzing the sentence of given text, okay, and document, and categorizing the text data into the specific class, either it is a positive or negative actually. Best example, go to the movie reviews or else go to the Amazon product reviews. When you are reading the product, when you are reading the review, our brain will understand is it good review or else is it bad review. Either, about the product, is it positive review or it's about the product, is it negative review actually. That our brain will do automatically. But here, NLP techniques will do automatically. That's what we are doing now. Based on requirement, you can elaborate also. Nearby, there is a restaurant, Krutunga. Now, best example, you wanted to try. You can ask me. Average actual. And, if it is a spicy, that is a good. Especially chicken biryani. Are you with me or not, sir? See, positive review, next one is a neutral review. Neutral, yeah, average actual. Sentiment analysis means analyzing the sentiment of given text data or document and categorizing the text document into the specific class or category. Okay, like a positive or negative. Basically, the classification is done for two classes. The first one is a positive one. What exactly mean? Negative. Okay. However, we can add more classes like a neutral, highly positive, and these are all things actually. Okay. Yeah, you have to install this library. This is so called as a pip install -u text blob. Now you have to install this. Why -u? Let's do little R&D. Then ignore the theory, I will come here. Ignore the theory, I will come here actually. Very good. Even it was a wonderful movie. I liked it very much. It was wonderful movie. I liked it. What exactly? Very much actually. Positive or negative? Positive. Okay, hold on. Recently, any movie actually? చెప్పండి ఏదైనా మూవీ వచ్చిందా రీసెంట్ గా? విచ్ వన్ హిట్ 3? బాగుందా సార్? ఓకే. ఓకే, ఫైన్ దెన్. హౌ ఈస్ పైథాన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ యాక్చువల్? వెరీ గుడ్. ఆల్ రైట్. జస్ట్ ఐమ్ ఆస్కింగ్. Save this example. Now demo1.py. Go to the desktop, go to the coding, and you can save actually. Let's take this one from here to here. Review 1. That's the advantage with Notepad++. If you are highlighting that word, if the same word is available, automatically it applies the color actually. Good. This is the very rare. Package name is the same. Any idea what is this? Class. Class. Package name and class name same. Very rare. Chala rare. But anyway, somebody created, right? We cannot say anything. మనం ఇంకేం అనలేం actually. Why? Because it is not in out of our hands actually. Now we have to import the class globe, globe module, globe function. Did you remember? Same here also story. Sometimes if you compare, you will get a clarity. Map function returns map object. Filter function returns filter object. Group by method returns like that. If you are able to compare, you can remember. A pattern మీరు అలవాటు చేసుకోవాలి. Same మనం ఇంతకు ముందు ఎక్కడ చూసాం అలా, right? We are creating an object. Object name is called as a text blob actually. Yeah, object is created. We are providing the review. Here is the beauty. Now, this class was designed in such a way that you give me any text data, it will do analysis. It will tell either it is a positive or negative. Either it is what exactly? Positive or negative. To tell positive or negative, it will use two concepts. It will use two concepts. Those two concepts are called as one is the polarity. The next one is a subjectivity. Tell me, sir, one is a polarity. The next one is a subjectivity. We'll do one thing. First of all, let us just try to print this one. Okay. If you are printing the text, we'll see what exactly it is printing. We'll do slowly by slowly. We can do little R&D. Let me run this. Can you help me why the example we are not running actually? What is the issue, Chaptara? What is the issue here? What is the issue here? I need your help. Issue and చెప్పండి. Good. Read the error. No such file. I mean to say there is a location Daniel. Inside that Daniel, that file is not there. You know, right? This one. Then where this file is available? In a desktop, in a coding folder. Right. Go to the desktop. CD desktop. Then CD coding. What is the CD? Change directory. Right. Now you can just to run this. When you are printing text, it will print sentiment object, I guess. It is analyzing. Come on, please. It was wonderful movie. I liked it very much. What I'm printing? text. It's okay. It is printing, but I'm sure. Let us check the data type. So data type check చేద్దామా? It is directly printing this one. Data type is not a string, I guess. That object directly it is printing. Wow. What is the data type mean? Text block. Text block. Let's okay. Sir, I have a question for you. Any idea what is the sentiment here? Nice. Very good. Attribute actually. Attribute. Let us just to extract this one. Whenever you are calling sentiment attribute, it is giving sentiment object. It is giving what object? Sentiment. You are calling sentiment or attribute, it is giving sentiment object. Good. Sir, instead of this one, there are two values. One is polarity, the next one subjectivity. What is the polarity value? 0.662. What is the subjectivity value? 0.68. We'll do one thing. Hold on. Now theory. Understand the theory. Understand the theory. We can apply text blob on any text to do the sentiment analysis. The sentiment property gives the sentiment scores. You have given the review, it is giving the score. You have given review, it is giving such a nice man. Make a note on this. Now there are two scores in the given polarity and what exactly is our subject. Best example. Every time we have written exam. Exam is nothing but group of sentences. Ultimately, they are giving at last what exactly? Mocks. That mock is nothing but a score actual. Right. There are two scores in the given. One is a polarity, the next one is a subjectivity. Polarity score is a float value which is in between -1 to 1. -1 to somewhere we have seen this, sir. Correlation. Very good. Very good. Compare. Compare like that actually. Where negative value indicates to the negative text. Okay, imagine if the polarity value is the negative, then that is a negative text actually. But now today, talk with me, negative or positive. First 2 point, it is a positive review, positive sentence, positive sentiment analysis actually. Okay, and a positive value indicates the text is what exactly mean? Positive. That too. Can you tell me what is the score level? 0.6 means almost, so nearby 1. Positive review. Why not 9? Why not 9? So here you are using the word, it was wonderful movie. Just only one wonderful word you have used actually. If you want, you can tell ala undi, ila undi. The movie is like that, like this actually. Then it will give as a 0.9, 0.8 actually. It will touch like that. Okay. Good. The next one. Subjectivity. The subjectivity scores how much actually? 0 to 1. Where 0 is very objective and 1 is what exactly, sir? Very subjective actually. Did you remember where I covered 0 to 1? Come again? R squared. Nice. Like that you can remember. R squared. The prediction value. How near to the actual value? Yeah. Good. Fine. I'm sorry. The float within the range. Daniel, what is the subjectivity? Whereas 0.0 is the very objective and 1.0 is what exactly subjective. During the session, there are two things. Yeah, we gain the subject. Means I mean to say, you gain the subject. If you didn't gain the subject, that is called as a objective, neutral actual. That is what exactly mean? During the session, if you gain the subject, subjective. There is a subject. నేను చెప్పిన దానిలో subject ఉంది అని meaning. Imagine I delivered, but you didn't receive anything actually. That is called as a objective. That is called as a best example. You asked me, how is KGF movie? Then I told, it is wonderful movie. 2 points here. First of all, positive review. The next one, you are receiving the subject. You are receiving what exactly, sir? Subject actually, subject. Daniel, I just want, did I covered format method? I covered. I remembered actually. నాకు గుర్తుంది. తప్పించుకోలేరు మీరు. Right. Now, by using sentiment object, sir, any idea what is the polarity here? Attribute. What is the polarity? Attribute actually, right? Daniel, I just wanted to capture only this score. Then do one thing. Text dot sentiment dot what exactly? Sir, whenever you are printing this, it is giving sentiment object. It is giving what object actually? Sentiment. But I wanted to extract this. Then you need to call attribute. You need to call what exactly mean? Attribute actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా sir? ఏంటి sir? Come again? So let me tell you, sir. Simple. Both are instance variable. There is a constructor. Think like, constructor having keyword arguments actually. If you want, you can extract this one. So by using this completely, you need to call attribute actually. Attribute. Okay. Yeah, simple. Good point. Daniel, I just wanted to extract both values actually. I wanted to extract what exactly mean both values. Now dot polarity. Subjectivity. It is analyzing. Positive review, Daniel. So if you want here, you can print. Very good. Hope you understand. Take this example. Okay. Move to the next one. I like the acting of lead actor, and but I didn't like movie. What exactly, man? Overall, frankly speaking, on an average, 20 is the score. How much is score? 0.20. 20 is the 0.20 is the score actually. 0.20 is the score. I mean to say, sir, that review is mixing together actually. One is the positive, one is what exactly? Negative, almost near to the neutral. Automatically, previously, can you talk with me, sir? What is the score actually? 0.62. Very good actually. Now, what is the score actually? 0. Just 19. 0.19. 19, we should not say 19 actually. 19, right? Now, let's take this one. Did I cover this example here? Yeah, Daniel. Take it and you can apply here. Now let's run it. Subjectivity, very less subject actually. Very less subject. People may not attract with this sentence actually. Right? Take this one. Sir, now let me reveal the secret. Text blob is a class like a model. Like what exactly? Model. To tell positive or negative. Go to the linear regression. Linear regression is a class, but that is a model. To do the prediction. Logistic regression, it is a class, but that is a model. To do the classification. Same thing like that. Text blob is a class, but it is a model. Model for what? To tell positive or? That's what you need to be understand. Adi meeku ardham kavali. Okay? Yeah. Go. Like this, you can give other sentences also. You can easy to understand. I like the acting of lead actor, and I already covered, right? Okay. Here I didn't like, but here what exactly, sir? I like the movie. Then what is the score actually? 0.30. Compared to the previously, just 0.10 extra. You are using basic words actually. You are telling I like it. Are you with me or not? See, imagine there is a movie. So the movie is over. Imagine one person like the movie. The way of his delivery is quite different. He cannot say I like it actually. He will tell I like wonderful movie. I have seen the fights like this. Train automatically stopping actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah. Hope you understand. I like the acting of lead actor, and I like the movie. What exactly mean overall actually, right? So hope you understand. Now This kind of model we are preparing. That one is a predefined model. That one is what exactly predefined model. Now let us create our own model. Then if you have given the sentence, that sentence either it is a positive or negative, it will tell actual that we are doing. Are you with me? Till now we played with the predefined model, which is so called as a text blob actually. Now we are creating our own model. We are creating what exactly mean? Our own model. Are you ready? Good. To create our own model, first of all, we need a lot of text data. We need lot of what exactly mean? Text data. That lot of text data we are trying to getting from the Twitter. So Twitter company actually, right? This data is already defined. This data is already what exactly meant defined. Online team, hold on. This data is fixed data, sir. Let me tell you, let us take a Twitter. If you go for last to 10 years data, 5 years data is fixed actually. That reviews are fixed. That reviews are fixed actually. Okay. Online team, just give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes actually. Let's move on. Daniel, what exactly you're doing? So go back to the machine learning. In machine learning, there is a CSV file. We loaded the data. We trained the model. Now here, if you want, you can take your own reviews also. But here we need lot of data. Lot of what exactly meant data actually. So we are going to use one Twitter samples corpus. Corpus means what exactly, you know, sir? Yeah, documents. Meaning. Yeah, so a collection of written texts. What is the corpus? Collection of written text, corpus actually. To train text blob, Navy based classifier, we are going to see the Navy based classifier using so and so corpus, and we can create a train and a test actually. And finally, we are going to check either positive or negative reviews. We are going, there is a good learning curve here actually, and then we can test the accuracy of the train model actually. Are you ready? Let's start. Good. Let's move on. Sir, you may get a lookup error. What error actually? Lookup error. If you are writing only this one, and you know, main package, sub package, and sub package actually, by using this one, if you are calling file IDs, file what exactly mean? IDs actually. File IDs. Let us just to run this one. You may get a lookup error. Feeling little hungry. Oh, okay. Maybe previously I have fixed that issue, I guess actually. Now you can just have to come here. But anyway, that is already available. That is already available. But good practice. Try to do one time actually. Good. Come on, look at my screen. Okay. Let me clarify this question. There is a one query from online team. Valid point. Let me clarify. Now, what is the difference between polarity? Okay, polarity and subjectivity. So one is calculating the emotions and other is calculating. Yeah, I'm sure one you understand, right? So polarity, then you understand, I guess. Simple polarity means either positive or negative. Either positive, or what exactly negative. The two, it is giving score. If it is positive, how much positive? If it's, if it is positive, how much positive? Can I tell you? Imagine Krutunga restaurant, actually restaurant. If somebody is asking how is the biryani, how is the biryani actually biryani? Let me tell you. Somebody told biryani is okay. Biryani is what exactly okay actually positive. But do you think that is that much positive actually? No. The next answer will be good actually. The next one best. He started explaining about the pieces taste also. Are you with me? I'm sorry. Pieces, what exactly taste also. Conclusion of the story here, positive. What I mean to say that on an average 0.20 is the score. And here 0.40 is the score. Whenever you're talking about the best plus some explanation, some what exact explanation, explanation, then the score can be like this actually 0.60. The way how you are using the words, is positive. How much positive? That really matters actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Can I tell you if you want? There are some movies. If somebody telling the review, we can say later we can see. But if somebody telling, we can tempt actually. I want to see this movie immediately actually. They will create internally that score in our brain actually, right? Good. Boss, you understand, I guess. Now, let me talk about the subjectivity. Imagine, let me take this one. If it is the best actually, I'm sorry, sir. If it is the best, if it is the best, indirectly there is a some subject. There is some what exactly subject actually. There is a some subject, then we can attract actually. We can what exactly mean attract actually. Imagine somebody is telling kind of some fake reviews. Think like, not good actually. Not what exactly, sir. It can be either having the subject or not subject. It will reveal the score actually. Subjectivity and objectivity. That's what you need to be understand, sir. I'm sorry. Supriya Garu, did you understand? Polarity means either positive or negative. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Where are we? So I need to execute this example, right? I need to execute this example. Are you ready? Whenever you're writing this example, okay, it is giving, first of all, it is giving list of 3 JSON files. List of strings it is giving. First one, negative tweets, okay. In Twitter, they have tweeted each other, negative tweets JSON. Positive tweets JSON. The next one total so and so time frame JSON actually. This we are not using anyway. First of all, it is returning list of strings. Do you want to extract this one? Let us extract. Daniel, I just wanted to see positive reviews. If you wanted to see positive reviews, this is the code actually. You can just have to take this. Get positive, negative tweets from Twitter actually. From what exactly? Twitter. Okay. Now you can observe here, sir. Do you want to extract the positive tweets actually? Take this submodule. By using this one, you need to call a function and positive tweets.json. Whenever you are calling this one, it is giving an object actually. These are all positive tweets. These are all positive tweets. Do you wanted to see what is the total tweets actually? What is the total number of tweets? Do you wanted to see? Huge tweets actually, sir. Chala ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. It is extracted from Twitter company. Oh, I don't want to print, but anyway, if you wanted to print, we can print one by one. Check the length. Oh my God. 5,000 strings, 5,000 sentences. Very good. Daniel, print one by one tweet actually. It's okay. Length of positive tweets. We are playing with the data. Daniel, first of all, sir, this is something like whenever you are printing this one, list of tweets. I wanted to print one by one tweet. What I need to do? That's it. That's it. Let us use for tweet. What tweet actually? P tweet. P means in POS. These are all positive tweets actually. These are all what exactly mean? Positive tweets. Are you ready? Let us just have to say, if you want to maintain some social distance in between tweet to tweet, you will get a clarity. First, let us not display this one. These are all positive tweets. Are you ready, sir? 5,000 strings we are printing in one shot actually. 5,000 string objects we are going to print one by one actually. Yeah, let us see the cinema. Like English movie. Fat it will go actually one by one. Are you trying to reading, sir? No, no, don't read it. Let it stop. Very good. Can I ask you a question? Can you read the last name actually? Do you think myself? No, 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 no. Some random. Yeah, I mean to say tweet number 1, tweet number 2, tweet number 3, tweet number 4, like that actually, sir. Okay, good. If you want more clarity, what you can do, provide social distance in between the every tweet, you will get a clarity. No, sir. Model also same. For loop, it will print one by one actually. No, 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 sir. I'm sorry. We cannot compare like that. Like compare చేయడానికి లేదు actually. Okay. Depends upon your system actually. Good. These are all tweets. Tweet number 1. How can we say it is a positive? If you want, look at the symbol, sir. That symbol indicates to. Sometimes I used to this symbol. I used to use this symbol. What is that symbol? Smile means positive. Sir, yesterday, maybe did I told with you? Yesterday, very sad news actually. Very sad news. Very sad news. And I feel very low also. Did you remember during my session, I used to use one faculty name. Did you remember? Did you remember? During my session, during my whole data science session, I used to use my 10th class faculty name. I used to use 10th class faculty name, 10th class faculty name, faculty name. Especially overfitting, during overfitting topic actually. Corona teacher, am I right? Corona teacher. Yesterday she passed away, sir. I'm sorry for saying. Yesterday there was a sad news actually. She passed away. That too accident. Accident actually, madam. Yesterday I feel so sad actually. So sad. Anyway, so that's the time. She was my class teacher, 6th to 10th class. I'm from ZPH school. I'm from not corporate actually. Then that attachment is more. Why? Because no proper faculties. She is the one responsible for delivering almost. She used to handle 2 to 3 subjects. I still remember properly exactly, but she handled more than one subject from 6th to 10th class. So while traveling yesterday, suddenly there was a accident. Madam passed away. She had 2 daughters, and I'm sorry. So one of the daughter I helped actually. Now she's working in Accenture company. She's working in Accenture company. I referred, but she has a good subject. When teacher was she uh, yeah, yes sir. Fine then. Anyway, let's move on. Let's move on. Yeah, sir. For me, there are some gurus. Karuna teacher, Arjun Sarji. I used to specify their names in my material actually. That's what I, lot of attachment. Yesterday I feel little tearful. Why? Because, yeah, fine. Back to the session. I don't want to make you to, yeah, yeah. Good. This one is a positive tweets, man. What tweets actually? Positive tweet. Same thing like that, Daniel. Can I print negative tweets actually? Yeah, you can print also. But so maybe can I print one more time? It won't take much time. Please be patient. Say, I wanted to explain one thing. Sir, for loop is iterating almost 5,000 times. It is just a printing, but they're processing. It is just a printing, but their process, అక్కడ process చేయాలి sir. Weights initialize అవ్వాలి. Yeah, yeah. Printing is easy. Imagine you can give, yeah, good. Look at my screen. And thanks for the shout out. గట్టిగా అరిచినందుకు ధన్యవాదములు. Are you with me? So it's great to have you aboard, abroad actually. So these are all very good. I hope you understand. These are all positive reviews. Now I'm planning to print negative reviews. Are you ready? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's print. Getting positive tweets. Team, I need your help, sir. To print the negative tweets, what I need to do? Now you have a data. Positive tweets and negative tweets. N tweets, N tweet, NEG. Now let's run this. Negative tweets. Negative tweets. That symbol indicates to sad actual. The symbol indicates to what exactly? Sad actual. Now, so my puppy broke. Oh my God. Talk with me, sir. My puppy broke what exactly here? So after social media came actually, even if a puppy is crying also, they're tweeting like, my puppy is crying actual. Social media. Right, all right. So I hope you understand. There is one sentence you can say. Egg on your face. Where you can say? Chaptara. Egg. Egg on your face. Maybe that is not there. Which one? 1 minute, I will tell you. Sir, these are all negative tweets, man. So you may, I'm sorry for saying, you may say some abusing words. I don't want to go deeper actually, because these are all negative. Because these are all what exactly? Negative tweets actually. Are you with me? Sir, this is the, see, can you talk with me? I'm fat actually. So very sad. I miss you so much. Very sad. Back to the session. Did you notice these are all string data we are going to processing actually? Get ready to understand, sir. Hopeless for tomorrow. We don't know what is going to happen tomorrow actually. There is no hopeless. Okay. Negative tweets. Now we are using, these are all positive tweets and negative tweets. Let us take one model. Let us train our model by positive and negative tweets. Once model is ready, now we will give one positive tweets. Model supposed to tell either it is positive or negative. If you give negative, model supposed to tell either it is positive or what exactly? Negative actually. Okay. So maybe we are running behind the time and we'll continue tomorrow. We done today's session. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Let me create new window. Anyone is not in Google Classroom? You should be available. Thank you. So I takes care about uploading material. You please takes care about these are all Twitter sentiment analysis. Let me upload the running notes. We done today's session online team. Thank you for joining. We'll connect again tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Thank you.